There we go, guys. Chandanagar strand. Okay, the screen is currently on, but it will turn off in a minute. So why am I doing this? I am doing this to see if I can do it or how well I can do it. That's Chandanagar police station. Let's walk. The screen is now almost off, so that's good. Yesterday I had a corn, okay, but I forgot to wash my teeth, so little bits of corn is stuck in my teeth. So today I'll show you the entire Chandanagar strand, and let's go. This is the first time, guys, I'm wearing this t-shirt, but there is this little cart over here. I should have been more careful before I purchased the t-shirt, but yeah, black. I'm loving this black color on me. So I've got my phone on my left pocket, my keys on my right pocket. I'm not really doing it for views or anything, but if the video is good, the views will automatically come. I'm doing it to see if I can do it or how well I can do it. Man, yesterday I should have brushed after having the corn. I should have brushed my teeth. I used to vlog like this, but nowadays I'm more focused on the conversations, so that's there. Let me show you in the first person view. That's the rickshaw stand over there, and we will pass by the rickshaw stand. Don't make any eye contact, you should be fine. There is the Hooghly river. My grip is tight. That's the Hooghly river, guys. Hooghly river. Like that. Like that. I can also switch it from the left hand to the right hand. Somebody is getting their bottles filled up over here. Like that. Yeah, there we go. Yes. We have 98% battery left, so that's good. So Kolkata is in that direction, Bardhaman is in the other direction. So what time is it? Let me see the time. Let me look at the time. Oh shit. .5:35. It's 5:35, guys. So some people, I can see some people are crossing the bridge and going over there like that. You can see that's the Bardhaman side, and the other side over there, that's the Howrah side. Should I keep the screen of my phone on? That's a question. But the river is looking pretty good. Should I keep the screen of my camera on? No, I should not. Or maybe I should. But I don't generally keep it on so that I don't drag too much attention from the people. But okay, let's go. Which way to go? Let's go back the same way we came. Let's go. Then tonight I'll have to go to the conversations also. I don't have to go to the gym today because today is Sunday. So I have to be careful, otherwise I'm gonna fall. So let's go, let's run. Fuck yeah. Okay. So let's vlogs. It's a vlog, right? It cannot be that perfect. It can't look that cinematic, but I'm trying my best. Hanumanji Mandir. Let's go. It's way easier to vlog with the GoPro. Let's walk. It's GoPro 12, guys. GoPro 12. I have a GoPro 10 as well, but this one is brighter. It's going to be brighter, the GoPro 12. So that's good. Yeah, there is this cart over there on the t-shirt. I don't know how it happened. Maybe it's happened when, like, maybe it's a manufacturing defect, or maybe somebody did it intentionally. I don't know. Chandanagar subsidiary correctional home. That's interesting. Correctional home. So careful. I was about to bump into somebody. Today I woke up by 3 p.m. because I generally sleep by that time because of my conversations. Then I had some drink of milk and whey protein powder. Let's go. Let me show you in first person view, like that. Some people might be wondering why the screens are off. Okay. So far so good. People are not paying too much attention to you if you are vlogging like this. So that's good. Bubbles. Gymming regularly is working out, guys. Like, yeah. That's Rabindra Bhavan, guys. Rabindra Bhavan over there.
এই উপলক্ষে হীরক জয়ন্তী বর্ষের বর্ষব্যাপী সামাজিক ও সাংস্কৃতিক কর্মকাণ্ডগুলির মধ্যে আগামী 22শে জুন রবিবার চন্দননগর রবীন্দ্র ভবনে সন্ধ্যা 5:30টা থেকে পালিত হতে চলেছে এক মনোজ্ঞ সাংস্কৃতিক সন্ধ্যা।
That's Jodaghat over there, guys. Jodaghat. Lots of people come here and like record photos, videos. I'll go there, I'll be there in a few seconds. Lots of people come here to get water from this river. Look, Kolkata is in that direction, Kolkata. Let me see, let me look at the flow of water. The water, can you really tell which way the water is going? I think it's going in that direction, so we are getting water over here, so yeah, it's filling up. Pretty good. And look at this place, look at the graffiti. Religion, what religion, I don't know what's written. And over there something is written, somebody's phone number is written over there, like that, another phone number, then heart over there, graffiti. I just turned on the screen, but I feel more comfortable if I'm vlogging with the screen off. But I have to be careful, I cannot fall down. Now let's go up there. Let's go. That's power. There. Let's go. Yeah, the screen just turned off. Pretty good. Nice place. I've come here like a million times, so not bad. Let's go. There is not much to see. It's basically a nice place to stand. I'll come here before again, but first let me cover this strand. Over there we have got the French Museum. The ticket price is just 5 rupees. 5 rupees for that French Museum. So this city is called Chandanagar, and it used to be a French colony. Okay, so let's walk, and I will take that road while coming back. So you should thank me that I am making the vlogs in English, because of this you can learn English from my vlogs, or people all over the globe can watch my vlogs just because I'm making them in English. I make them in English. Always. I have always been making my videos in English. Just walk. I made the correct choice that I'm wearing shoes today, so that's good. Should I stop by the Hotel Rasoi? Maybe. Let's go, let's walk. Oh, that's the English medium school over there, St. Joseph Convent, I suppose, like that. Did they try to call me? I don't know. I don't have time. I cannot just stop for anybody calling me. Yes, it's called St. Joseph's Convent, English medium school. I wish I studied in an English medium school. I don't know why my father put me in a government school. I don't know. But yeah, if there is one language which is more important than all the other languages, that's English. So yeah, like if you are talking generally, in general, I'm walking pretty fast, and that's over there called Patal Badi. I think it's got a basement, that's why it's called Patal Badi. So, and over there Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, one of the revolutionaries of India. Revolutionary, one of the revolutionaries of India, West Bengal, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Let's go. I'll go by that road. Okay. So that's my tattoo, a camera. Like this. They are like if you are vlogging, well, I know some people might be kissing each other, some couple might be kissing each other in this place, but it's a public place. It's a public, you can do it, but I can, like, you are allowed to vlog in any public place. God, I don't like, they should be working, right? Oh, I used to come, I have come here so many times. Can I do it? Yeah, there we go. I can't yet do the one arm pull up, but that's good. The screens are still off. I think people would be more comfortable if the screens are off. That's why, yes. If you don't like getting vlogged, you need to cover your face, because yeah. There we go. Another ghat, I suppose. Ghat. But next time I should make sure that I brush before I come out for such vlogging. So I generally brush every day, but I forgot yesterday. So let's go. My legs, my calves are hurting a little bit because I'm walking so fast continuously. That's why. I don't generally walk so fast, but if I'm vlogging, then yes. You just, if you want to be a pro vlogger, you just need to focus on your viewers mostly, and it's not that easy. I mean, it's not that hard. If you can just focus on your viewers, you will get the adrenaline rush. And okay, I don't know if you understood what they were saying, but they were just positive towards my vlog. Pretty good. 20 minutes. I'm doing it for 20 minutes. There. Once again, we are here, Chandanagar Joraghat. Some people are selling the balloon things over there. The balloons. Let's go. My legs are really hurting. Somebody is smoking over there, which is not legal. You are not legally allowed to smoke in public. And balloons. Krishna, Chota Bheem, Penguin, Spider-Man. Once again, let's go. This time we want to go to all the way to the front side. It's generally always busy. So that's Kolkata over there. And over here we have got Bardhaman. Let's go back. The screen is on right now. It's not that hard to vlog. Should I purchase something? I don't know. Oh, there is a kid over there. There is a kid. I think that's the Chandanagar Women's College. So lights, more balloons over there, more balloons. Guys, oh, I need to edit so many videos. Like most of the conversation videos are edited, but most of my daily vlogs and like, yeah, they are not edited, so I need to edit them. Man, I'm starting to sweat. So far so good. Like, yeah, like if you told me 4 years ago to vlog like this in public in English, I could not do it. But yeah, now I'm really used to it. I'll show you something. I'll show you a floating restaurant that's called Jaloshri. Then over there we have got the Chandanagar police station. Phone number is written, and over there Jaloshri. I saw another person smoking. That's Jaloshri. Like there is a boat on the river. Okay, there is this boat on the river, and like they serve food in that boat. So some people are doing a photo shoot over there. nice. And over there I love Chandanagar behind the two cars. So the question is, why am I keeping my screens off? I don't know. I think people would be more comfortable if they cannot see themselves in my vlog, or I think people will be more comfortable if they don't know if they are getting recorded. So that's why. What to do, where to go. I don't know. But up there we have got a tree, so many birds. Oh man, I'm getting so used to vlogging. Should I purchase something? Should I purchase a cold drink? Should I do it? Chandanagar subdivisional court. Over there, subdivisional court of Chandanagar. Some people call it Chandanagar, Chander Nagar, Chandanagar. Like technically it's Chandanagar. Like on the railway station, it's Chandanagar. But some people, like a sweet shop over here, they call it Chander Nagar. Because if you look at it from up there, from a satellite, it looks like a crescent moon. That's why they call it Chander Nagar. Okay. So far so good. And I am back at this place. So after the pujas, after the Durga Puja, after the Jagadhatri Puja, they will bring the idols over here to throw them down in the river. So yes, like that. Yes, some people are here. Over there, that's the Joloshri, the floating restaurant. I told you what it is actually. It's a boat. It's a boat, and they serve food. They serve food in that boat. And like that. Look at that sky. A couple is getting in that boat. There somebody is fishing over there with a fishing pole. Not bad, not bad. And over here, like that. Like if I vlog with a yellow t-shirt versus a black, I don't know why, but I'm feeling more comfortable with the black t-shirt. For sure. I need to go over there. Like that. You need to be fit if you want to be a vlogger. I thought he was fishing, but he is not fishing. He's just on his boat. So nice. I can go out that way, but I'm going to take the same route back. Don't worry about my phone or keys. They are locked up in my pockets. There is the boat which is leaving for the other side of the river. I think this place is called Jagodal or Ranighat, and the other side is Jagodal. Which one is probably this one is Ranighat and the other one is Jagodal, most likely. I'm not sure, but nice place. There, yeah, the boat has left. for the other side of the river. Let's go. I've been running every day, so my knees are hurting a little bit, but I think it's good pain. I think this pain signifies growth. Let's go out this way. I am going to end the vlog pretty soon. So yeah, there we go. And subdivisional court over there. Let's overtake. Should I go to the restaurant for some food? Well guys, if you are seeing me for the first time, let me tell you, this is my second channel. My primary channel is a conversation channel. Over there I talk with lots of foreigners, or I interact with or converse with lots of foreigners. I mean in English basically, mostly foreigners, Indians too. But that's my primary channel, my conversation channel. You can find my conversation channel from the homepage of this channel. So currently I'm uploading mostly on YouTube, but I can upload my conversations easily on Spotify or Facebook. Yeah, like on Facebook you can upload any videos, but yeah, if you're new at content creation, then you better upload your videos to as many platforms as you can, because and you have to be careful that you are not violating the community guidelines of the platform, otherwise they will take down your channel. So that's Rabindra Bhavan over there. Rabindra Bhavan, I came here multiple times. When I was a kid, I came here to see the PC Sarkar Junior show. Nowadays they don't do it here anymore. Maybe he has stopped doing magic, the PC Sarkar Junior. So if you want to, like, if you want me to recommend any other vlogger, I can recommend you Dale Philip, Scottish vlogger. Like, he has been to many countries. He came to India, he went to some other countries. I'm way better at talking right now. Like Chandanagar College, 1862. Maybe that's a women's only college, I don't know. But I need to end my vlog. So over there we have got a corn cellar, lots of vehicles, cars, bikes, cycles. So Balloonwala, and over there my shoes. The shoes, how much did they cost me? 1400, 1300, 1300. They are sports shoes, basically sports, running, good for running. What else? Like, they are, once again, it's so busy today because today is Sunday. Somebody is taking a photo. Let me show you the famous Ghoti Goram guy. He is very famous, guys. He is really famous because he sells Ghoti Goram. Okay, and he sells Ghoti Goram, but he does a special type of dance before he sells. Like I have covered his dance before on one of my daily vlogs. So I think that's it, guys, for this vlog. So that's the French Museum once again. Maybe that's a playground over there. That's a playground. Maybe they're doing something special. Should I go in and check out? Should I get in? Should I go? Should I go? Maybe they will stop me. But I see some people are vlogging there or recording. So should I go in? Maybe, probably there is somebody singing. I'll go in and I'll cover it in my daily vlog. So now let's go back over there and I'll end the vlog over there. Oh yeah, I can show you the Chandanagar church over there. That's over 300 years old. There is the church, guys. Chandanagar church. Let me show you the church quickly. There is the church, Chandanagar church. Yeah, there is the church. The lights are already on a little bit. And you can see so many food stalls here. If you don't know English, I mean if you cannot understand what I am saying that clearly, you can turn on the subtitles. That will help you to learn English. Once again I am in, and let me get in, then I will end the vlog over there. There we go. The screen is on once again. That place is so busy right now. But if you come here like during the afternoon time around 2 p.m. or like after 10 p.m. then you can then there is basically nobody. Then this place looks like a haunted place. Okay, after like 10 p.m. or 12 p.m. nobody in the entire area, nobody. And that's the other ghat over there. That's probably called Jagodal, the other ghat. Yeah, the screen is almost off and we are recording continuously for 40 minutes. Somebody is taking a photo. Mostly people come here to chill or to relax. It's free to come here. Yes. It's not that popular.
कैसा है भाई?
It's a new channel.
कैसा है भाई? ठीक है.
Good. Photo. Okay.
Pal.
TRIPPO? PL.
Video on it, right?
Yes, the video is.
This one.
Yes.
You are popular. You have 38k subscribers.
Videos, then look at the most popular video. That's the most popular video.
You are popular. Nice one. Keep it up. Oh my god.
Thank you. Well, you did subscribe my channel. Nowadays, like I stopped doing the conversation videos, but I should not have stopped the conversation videos. Nowadays I am continuing the conversation videos once again. I don't know how many views this video is going to get, but it's a nice sport for me, so that's mainly why I am doing it, this vlogging. Look, so busy, it's already got so busy. There is the guy with the fishing pole. Let's go. If you vlog with your phone, then it's very easy for you to drop the phone. So you see that bright boat over there. That's the floating restaurant, and over there that's the Jagodhal or Rani Ghat. Okay, so let's go. That's it guys for this vlog, and see you guys in the next one. But if you're new to this channel, subscribe and become a part of this family. Alright, so that's it guys, bye for today. See you guys on some conversation video or on a daily vlog or on a vlog like this. But that's it for today. I'm now going to have some food. Let's see what food I can get, then back home. So next video.